Are y'all ready? Are you ready for the best spaghetti you have ever put into your mouth? Ooh, Lord, it's so good. This spaghetti is so scrumptious. It's gonna make you wanna slap somebody. I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on, come on, come on, y'all. Come on in here to Cooking with Sandra Faye. Thank you guys. Thank you for stopping by to see Sandra Faye today. I'm going to be cooking up some spaghetti for you guys. All-time favorite spaghetti. And I'm not just talking about any spaghetti. I'm talking about so darn good spaghetti that you just can't believe something this good went into your mouth. The kids gonna love it, your whole family gonna love it, and your friends are gonna love it. So let's get to cooking this spaghetti. Y'all hear Twinkie in the background? He wants some too, but he ain't gonna get none. All right, let's go, y'all. Let's get to cooking. Now let me go through this list for you guys. We've got hot Italian sausage, just a half a pound. Shut up, Twinkie. And we got 2 pounds of ground beef, y'all. And a 16-ounce box of thin spaghetti. Thin, don't be using no thick. I know some of y'all like to use thick spaghetti and also angel hair. You can use angel hair if you like, but thin, at least thin spaghetti. And I have crushed tomatoes. Tomato paste from Hunt's. This is a 6-ounce can and this is a 28-ounce can. Okay, I have half of an onion, half celery, not half, it's one celery stalk, and half of a bell pepper. I'm going to use some Lawry seasoning, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, complete seasoning. Guys, that's it, okay? I'm going to tell you the measurements as I put them in. All right, and don't forget olive oil, and I'm going to also be using salt and pepper to taste, and also sugar. Yes, you got to use sugar to get that twang out of the sauce. First, I'm going to salt some water for my spaghetti. Put salt in the water. Y'all, I do not like bland spaghetti with no taste, okay? I am going to cook this last. Lord have mercy. Lord. Anyway, you're going to let this boil. You're going to let it boil, and then you're going to drop your spaghetti in, and you're going to cook it for as long as the package tells you to. But I'm going to do that last after I cook my sauce, because you know why, y'all? I don't want my spaghetti to be getting clumpy and sticking together. Okay? That's it right there. That's it. And you can put oil in there too if you like, if you think your spaghetti gonna stick. Just a little drop. Just a little drop. Okay, I'm ready to drop 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Ooh, it would help if I turn my eye on. It would help a whole lot. Now it's time to add the veggies. Ooh, add them all up in there. Add them in there. Make sure your eye is not too high because you don't want to burn your oil. You don't want to burn the olive oil. That would not be good, I'm telling you. Add them all in there. Oh, probably for about 2 minutes, y'all. 2 minutes. That's long enough. You don't want them limp. You don't want them limp. You just want the flavor to get it to the oil. Add your ground beef. 2 pounds of ground beef. Chop it up, y'all. Chop that bad boy up. You can have it fine, or you can have it chunky, according to how you like to eat your spaghetti. If you like chunky meat, it's up to you. Now I'm going to also add half I'm not gonna add this whole thing. I'm just gonna add 1/2 pound of the hot Italian sausage. And I forgot to also tell you, you can use mild if you don't like hot. It's up to you and your kids. My grandkids, they can eat it. I don't think this is really too hot. It's up to your kids, okay? Now you're gonna let this brown, y'all. You're gonna let it brown on medium heat. Don't cook it too fast, okay? Don't cook it too fast. Remember, I told you this now. I told you, don't cook it too fast. Now I'm gonna add some seasoning, guys. I like to season my meat. Some people don't, but I do. I season my meat. That is 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. So far, we got another teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm going to add some complete seasoning. A teaspoon of complete seasoning. Don't be surprised if you see this seasoning again. And I'm going to stir it up, guys. Stir it up. Got to blend it all in there together. Oh, yeah. And we're not going to forget our favorite pepper. Pepper to taste, all right? Pepper to taste. And you're going to also add just a little bit of salt. Salt to taste, guys. Salt to taste. Or you don't have to add any if you're cautious about salt. Sorry about that noise. All right. Ooh, that's gonna be good. It's smelling delicious, y'all. So delicious. I could eat it like this with some bread. Just give me a hamburger bun and go to town. Now I'm adding the tomato paste. Get it all in there. It's gonna thicken it up for you guys. It's gonna thicken. I'm gonna also add water. Stuff is thick, boy. It's thick. Then you're gonna add your crushed tomatoes. Looks like tomato sauce. Y'all see that? Do y'all see it? Do you see it? Do you see me adding the goodness to it? Y'all, I added 2.5 cans of that water from the tomato paste can. Now you're gonna go back in here and you're gonna add another teaspoon of garlic powder. No, it's not too much because you put the water in there, remember? Another teaspoon, well, maybe about 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt. And I'm gonna do another about 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning, Badia that is. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of, ooh yeah, Italian seasoning. You can't go wrong with Italian seasoning, y'all. Look at them seasonings. Look at that. Marinating. Ooh, it smells wonderful. Good Lord. I know a lot of y'all don't like it, but I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. That helps to get the twang out of the tomato sauce and tomato paste, okay? Trust me on this one. Trust me. You're gonna like it. You really are. You're gonna let this come to a little boil. And then you're going to cover it. Make sure you cover it, y'all. You don't want spaghetti splashing all over the stove, all over the walls, all over the floors. You gotta make sure you cover the pot. We're gonna let that simmer and then we're gonna cook our spaghetti. Yo, I did put about 1 teaspoon of olive oil into that spaghetti water. Spaghetti water. I don't want it sticking together, y'all. I don't. Simmering, y'all want it to be just bubbling just a little bit. Okay? Those flavors, like I said, they're gonna marinate in there together. They so happy in there together, y'all. They happy. They happy. They happy than you are. Whew. Ready for the spaghetti. I like to break mine in half. Just drop it on in there. This is the 16-ounce box. Now, I don't know if we're going to use all this in the spaghetti. Only y'all know how much sauce you like. And if you like more sauce, if you just like more spaghetti, okay, that's up to you. I'm telling you, it's up to you. All right. You're going to let this boil according to whatever the package tells you. Don't be overdoing it now, because you do, you're going to have soggy, smushy spaghetti, and you don't want that. Now, if you take your spoon and just dab it down in there just a little bit, that'll help with any clumps that just might form. You don't want spaghetti sticking together. You don't. Looking pretty good. Jab it, y'all, jab it. Y'all men know how you do in the middle of the night. Your woman trying to get some rest, but you trying to wake her up because you want just a little taste. Jab it, y'all, jab it. Now, if you don't have one of these utensils, shame on you. Everybody should have one. It's done, y'all. It's done, the pasta. Now, I like to spoon mine in. I like to spoon it in because this lets me control how much spaghetti I want in here. I might use the whole package and I might not. And I know some of you probably are saying, that's wasteful, Sandra. That is wasteful. Well, maybe not. I don't know if you can freeze pasta, but I wouldn't. I mean, look, you stir it up and you make sure that you got enough pasta or sauce. If you like more pasta, put more pasta. If you like more sauce, just make it saucy. Y'all know how you like it. Either way, it's gonna taste good. For me, myself, I'm about to add some more spaghetti. This is the way I like it. Now, I did need to tell y'all, I did add another tablespoon of sugar. That's for me. That's the way our family likes it, okay? You can omit the sugar if you want to, or you don't have to. And I also add a half a teaspoon of salt, okay? All right? Okay. Let's plate this up. Woo, Lord. It's so good. This spaghetti is so scrumptious. It's gonna make you wanna slap somebody. Y'all ready for the taste test? Are you ready, people? I'm telling you, it's so good. It's so good. Here I go. Turns out great every time. Now, people, let me tell you. You don't have to put sugar in it if you don't want to. If you don't mind it being a little twangy, that's it. You don't have to put a hot Italian sausage. You can put mild, or you just want all ground beef. That's up to you too. You can eat this with garlic bread, or you can have a salad with it. I mean, it's great, wonderful. Whichever way you decide to eat it, I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. I want to thank y'all so much for stopping by, and I want you to try the recipe. Okay, put it down in the comment section. Let me know how it turned out for you and how your family loved it. And also make sure you share this video with all of your social media, because that's going to help me out a lot. And make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, okay? I have over 1,000 subscribers, so more people should be watching my videos, okay? Thank you so very much. And make sure that you come back to Cooking with Sandra Faye.